Supra Mark V. What is up everyone, Aaron here, back for another quick video today. Hope you're all doing fantastic. I wanted to make this video about the Toyota Supra Mark V, the 2020 Toyota Supra that will be coming out, actually being unveiled officially on this coming Monday, January 14th. So it was actually leaked by Toyota Mexico. So I'll put a link down in the description of this video and there'll be overlays and stuff throughout this video. But the Toyota Supra has been leaked by Toyota Mexico. So this is pretty cool. This is some cool stuff. It looks pretty good. The door looks a lot like a GTR, which I mean we've kind of seen in the spy shots all along. But the door looks like a GTR. The front hood kind of looks pretty sleek. The rear quarter panel, if you look at it from the profile view, kind of looks like kind of a Lexus, one of those performance Lexus things, and that kind of makes sense. But we do know that this car was developed with BMW, so it was kind of co-designed, co-created. It's along with the BMW Z5, I believe is their car. I don't know if that's unveiled yet. I don't think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. But you can tell that it's going to look just like that, sort of. Just with the, the Toyota emblems, obviously the Supra name, and just different body styling, I guess. But it looks pretty good. So I think it's gonna have a straight 6 in it, a straight 6-cylinder engine. We don't know horsepower numbers, torque, anything really. And we also don't know if it's going to be automatic only or if they will offer a manual transmission as well. So in my opinion, obviously they should definitely offer the manual. They would lose a ton of buyers if they didn't. But unfortunately, we all know that the industry is going in more of an automatic only kind of route, which sucks. I wish it wasn't so, but that's kind of the direction that the industry is going, unfortunately. So my thoughts on it. It looks pretty good, as I've said a couple times already, but we'll have to see the kind of final numbers and performance and everything kind of about it before I, am in love with it. But right now, it looks pretty cool. The taillights are awesome. The headlights look pretty cool. It does resemble the FT1 concept that I made a video on ages ago. It does sort of look like that a little bit, but obviously it's more street car-ish. It's not as, exotic as that concept was back in 2014, I believe. But besides that, it looks pretty cool. Hopefully it's got some good numbers as far as performance goes. It looks pretty sleek, as is. So I'm interested in it. So would I get one, I guess? Yeah, I'd love to have one. I mean, I've always been a huge Camaro and Corvette fan, but it looks pretty cool. And it's Toyota, so it probably runs. The interior of it looks just like a BMW, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, I'd like to have one. I think that'd be kind of cool. It would depend on the colors they offer. So I'm a huge fan of yellow cars, so I would really hope that they're offering a yellow version of the car. That would look awesome, I think. And I think we've had like spy shots and stuff. There's like a back rear quarter angle shot of it. So a yellow one would be awesome, or a dark navy blue, obviously just like my car. I think that'd be cool. If I were to move up from this to that, that'd be super awesome, being like, oh, keeping the navy blue kind of metallic tradition. That'd be cool. And then there's the transmission aspect. Obviously I would want a manual, so if they don't offer a manual, then there's, I definitely wouldn't want to get it. And then there's the price. So if the price is super expensive, I'm thinking it's going to be 50s to 60s. So if it is in that price category, that might also be a no-go as well. But it remains to be seen. We're not really sure. We'll have to wait till Monday to find out. But that's only in 2 days, so can't really complain too much there. So those are my thoughts on the Supra. So I'll probably make another video kind of describing got my same taillights. Anyway, so those are kind of my thoughts on the Supra. It would definitely have to be in a decent price range for me to afford it right now, at least. But in the coming, months, years, whatever, just kind of seeing where it goes, what the prices are like, what the performance is like, what kind of options they offer, how cool you can kind of spec it out. Those would all obviously play a role. So besides that, pretty cool the Supra's coming back. A lot of people on the Celica forums, or just Supra forums, they're not super happy with it. They obviously wish it was, you know, the Yamaha, Toyota, 100% Toyota developed car, and I understand that obviously, but I don't know really how good BMW's engines are. I've heard people love them, people hate them, but it should be interesting to kind of see how it plays out. See if it, I don't think it'll live up to the hype of, you know, the last gen Supra, but we'll have to see. It might, it probably won't, but it might. So we'll have to kind of feel it out, see how that goes. And regardless, it's kind of exciting to be a Toyota Supra Celica kind of fan. I think it's pretty neat that they're bringing it back. So hopefully they don't let us all down. That would not be super cool. But hopefully you guys all enjoy your day. Hopefully you guys had a great New Year's and are all doing awesome. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a like. Make sure you share and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.